Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use my latest plugin, FaceLive live stream broadcaster plugin for Facebook. So with this plugin you will be able to live stream videos to your Facebook pages, groups or accounts from the videos embedded in your published posts on your blog. So all you have to do is install and configure this plugin and embed some videos in your posts that are published on your blog, and they will be live streamed to your Facebook accounts, pages or even groups. So let's check this out. Click plugins, add new, upload plugin, choose file, navigate the zip file you downloaded and click install now to get started with this plugin. Click activate plugin to activate it. Now you should check its functionality. If you see this message that FFmpeg is not detected, you have to go to your hosting account and install FFmpeg on your server. Let's demonstrate this also. I have a Google Cloud engine that where I can connect. Let's connect with SSH. After we install the FFmpeg extension on our server, this message will be removed. So to get it on our server, we must type in this case sudo apt-get install ffmpeg. Click I could type yes. Wait until the installation is finished. This can take a while, but eventually it is finished. And now refresh the page and the error message disappeared. Now you should register your purchase code from Envato and activate the automatic updates for the plugin. Afterwards we can proceed and create a Facebook app to get started with the plugin. To create one, click here, click add, create a new app, create app ID, click the captcha, submit, and we got the first app we created. Okay, now let's head to settings, basic, copy the app ID from here and paste it in the plugin. Also copy the secret and paste it here and click save app info. After this is done, we can proceed and we return to these settings a bit later. Okay, now we can go ahead and configure Facebook app settings. So we can return to our app, and we already created the app. Now we should go to application settings, basic, and go ahead and enter the site URL as set by the plugin. Click save changes. Now app domains should be entered like this, app domains. Afterwards you should enter the privacy policy. and terms of service and save changes. Now we should go to set the business role, support my own business. The category should be selected also. Now we should go to Facebook login before saving settings, also subcategory, yeah. Okay, now we should go to add products, and we must add the Facebook login page. Facebook login setup. World Wide Web. Site URL is this, correct? Click continue. Next, 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 and this does not matter anymore. So we should go to Facebook login settings, and here enter as indicated in the plugin. Okay, now we should go to application settings, Facebook login settings, and copy this. It is very important that you copy the entire link and enter it here. Valid of redirect URLs. Afterwards, please note that your website must be HTTPS. So if it is not HTTPS capable, this probably will redirect you to the HTTPS version. If it is not HTTPS capable, when got redirected, you have to change the HTTPS to simple HTTP version. But eventually I will show you this. You must also enable the embedded browser OAuth login. This one, click yes. You should leave this in development. So this checkbox should be left in development for now. If you click it live, then you must submit your app for approval for the for these rights: manage pages, publish pages, user manage groups, publish video. But I will make a separate video on how to submit these for app Facebook app submission. So I will make a video on this shortly. Okay, so let's proceed right now, and all we have to do after we saved our settings, we have to authorize the app. So all you have to do right now is to check the checkboxes. If you want to submit to pages, to Facebook pages, these two checkboxes, or if you want to submit to Facebook groups, this checkbox. Please note that submission to Facebook groups is allowed by Facebook only if your app is reviewed. So if it is not reviewed, don't check this checkbox. Also, please note that your website must support HTTPS, as stated here. So if your website does not support HTTPS, then we will make a small hack. This website that I am on right now does not allow HTTPS connection, so we will make a small hack for this. Click authorize the app, and you will see that your app is authorized without issues. If a pop-up comes that your website does not support HTTPS, then you must go to the URL of the website and delete the HTTPS and enter HTTP, simple HTTP. Afterwards, you will need to authenticate to your website. Click login and you will be fully authorized on your HTTP version of the website. So leave the redirect URL as it is and only delete the HTTPS and enter simple HTTPS protocol before the URL. Okay, after the plugin is authorized, you can go ahead and publish live videos to Facebook. So here we can schedule on a page or on a group a live video, or simply stream it to our Facebook account. Let's begin with simple streaming. So to get started with simple streaming, you have to go to this URL on Facebook and click create live stream. After a bit of loading time, you will get the server URL, copy it and paste it here in the server URL field and the stream key. But before copying the stream key, let's select the way we want to create this live stream. So we want to share it on our timeline, in a group, share it in an event, or share it on a page we manage. Let's select this time on a page we manage, and let's select this test page I have. This is it. This is my test page on Facebook. This is an empty page. And after we selected this, let's copy the stream key and paste it here. After, go save settings. Please note that in its current state, the plugin will not do anything. To make it work, you should select these checkboxes, one or each or a subset of them. So if you want to post from YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, Facebook, Twitch, or local videos that are embedded on content. Let's post this time only from YouTube videos. So let's save settings. Okay, right now we can go ahead and create a post. Give it a title, and one more thing that we should do, let's give a message for the live event. Give it a title, some tags if you wish, and also if it is a video game you can select the video game gender, and go back in the plugin settings and select a video that you wish to stream to YouTube, to Facebook live stream, sorry. So let's select real quick, let's say I want this 3-minute video. Okay, copy its link and paste it in the post content and click publish. This is all you have to do in this case, and go back to the live streaming page and wait a bit. You will see that you can also go live. As you can see, the test page is live right now. This seems to be some kind of ad. I streamed, let's check it also on YouTube. Yeah, it is some kind of ad. Okay, so you will see that when the video finishes you can click end live video, but if you don't click it the video will finish automatically. We can wait for the ending duration, or we can go back to plugin settings and explain, let's say, these settings first. If the plugin reports that FFmpeg is not found on the server, you should enter the path to FFmpeg where the executable is found on the server here. You can limit the maximum size of uploaded videos here in megabytes. Facebook API version to use, you can use any API version, but I recommend that you use default one. Enable logging, data logging automatically logs. Timeout for live video streaming, this is in seconds, so this represents an hour. You can also use web proxies, address and authentication, or shorten URLs that are submitted in video's description. Random sentence generator, you can use this shortcode in the live videos description. I'll show you in a minute this feature also. You can define here sentences. In the sentences you can add variables, you can add values for variables here, and the variables will be replaced by a random value and the random sentence will be selected. So this is a random sentence generator. Okay, and let's go back to the live video to Facebook page. If we select to schedule a live stream, we will be prompted by on what page you wish to schedule the live stream. Let's select the testing page we already published on. This is the groups if we wish to publish to groups. Additional group event ID that we manage and we wish to publish there. And here are the broadcast title and description templates. So you can change the title and description of the template. Possible shortcodes for title are these, and possible shortcodes for description are these. You will see also the random sentence generator that we previously talked about. Live video privacy, or friends of friends, or self. Live video planned start time, this is in minutes, so but this is only a pseudo feature, because the plugin will automatically start live streaming each time the post goes published. Video tag IDs, you can get the tag IDs from here. If we submit this request, you can get the tag ID. This is the ID of the tag. So you should copy this and paste it back here if you wish to add the couscous tag. If not, then you should change here and add cars, let's say, and hit submit. And you will say name cars and ID is this one. So you should add this ID here if you want cars. Video custom label list, this is only for testing purposes, so this won't be public. You can enter here a comma separated list of labels. Set video thumbnail as post featured image. Create live event and auto like the live event if you want to auto like it. Auto comment, let's comment this. Auto share on these page IDs. To get the page IDs you should go here and check your accounts. You will see listed all pages that you manage, and you have to get the ID for each where you want to share. Live video schedule status, this should be left at its default value. Okay, also the plugin allows you to target the video in different countries, regions, cities, locals, exclude countries, exclude regions, exclude cities, and minimum age where the video should show up. To get the region IDs, once again you should go here and you can see Texas, and the region ID for Texas is this, the key. Okay, let's close all these. So target countries are encoded in 2-digit E, so if you want to target USA, you should enter US. Okay. The video width and height, you can change the size of the video that will be streamed to the Facebook Live. The frame rate, disable auto posting of post pages, custom post type, disable auto posting of selected categories. To show the categories list, click here. Disable auto posting of these tags, tag 1, tag 2, like this. Maximum number of videos to publish it at once. If the post has multiple videos embedded in them, then you can limit the maximum number of videos submitted. And these are to select from where you want to publish the content. So if you have a YouTube video embedded in content, you should check this if you want to publish it. Okay, so now let's save settings and let's create a scheduled video. So for this we no longer have to create a video event. By this button we can close this page. Let's go back to our page and let's check if the video was submitted, and there it is. This is the live video 8 minutes ago. Okay, let's delete this from our page. And now we can go back and go to our blog and publish once again another post. Let's search for another short video. I search for short videos for this tutorial. So let's search for a video. Let's say I want to search for a short video. Let's say this one. Okay, so let's copy it, head back to our blog, add new, and click paste, publish it. And now the plugin does its magic. Now we should get back and refresh our page, and we will see that it is live right now with a nicely made event. So this time no manual settings were needed, only the plugin generated this event automatically. It also liked it automatically and commented on it automatically as we defined in the settings. So yeah, as you can see, this plugin has many features. Also, we can go to activity and logging section. Here we will have some system info. You can restore default settings on the plugin and a small activity log, but here only plugin errors will be listed, so it is good if it is empty. Okay, So this is the full description and feature description of the plugin. I hope you will enjoy it. I hope you will get the most out of it. As you can see, also HD quality live streaming is supported. So until next time, bye bye. Have fun with the plugin.